Namaste, I'm Dr. D.G. Cook, and today we are going to do a fantastic dish with ragi flour, and we call it as Mille Julle. And this is between 50% to 70% of the finger millet, which is the ragi. We have it here. Can you show us the ingredients? We have got the ragi flour, 150 grams. We have got the dry fruit, and we have got 1 tablespoon of maida. We have got, this is very important, hung curds with mango pulp into this. Or if not, you can also use Shrikhand, which is very popular in Maharashtra or other parts where we get it everywhere. Shrikhand or Amrakhand, that is hung curds, thick curds with the mango pulp. This you can make it at home, or this is available ready also. And we have got a little milk, so that we should make this hung curds a little liquid. Oil for frying dry fruits, and here we are going to go how to make it. Mix a little maida. You've got a maida with the flour, ragi flour. Add a little milk and water and make a dough out of it. Roll the ragi dough in the shape of a roti and then cut it with a nice designer cutter. Good shapes. Add these to the oil and let them fry, deep fry. Once they are a little brown, remove it out of the flame and let it cool. Now that we have fried these small pieces of finger millet or ragi millet, and we have got here the hung curds where we have added a little milk so that it has got this consistency, and dry fruits. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the dry fruits a little here. We're going to add these fried pieces of millet to the hung curds, and you slightly toss it. Put the dry fruits on top for garnishing. It is good if this settles for around 5 minutes so that the pieces get soaked in the hung curd. And here we are ready. Our Mille Julle is ready. इसके लिए ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता है. Quickly it can be done. Very good for health, and children are going to love it. The moment you say millet, children feel, oh wow, millet. तो हमको नहीं खाना है, हमको तो नूडल्स खाना है. ये तो भाई मैं बोल दूँ नूडल्स का बाप है. So Mille Julle, hung curds, millet and hung curds. This is Dr. Shubha Barwani, and we have prepared this dish with millet and hung curds. Hung curds जिसको हम महाराष्ट्र में श्रीखंड बोलते हैं या आम्रखंड बोलते हैं. इसमें श्रीखंड में we have got mango pulp, so children will like it, elders will like it, and we have got small cubes of ragi that have been fried, which has been soaked in this for around 10 to 15 minutes with dry fruits, and our Mille Julle ragi your dessert is ready. Everybody can have it. Good bacteria because there's curds in this. Shrikhand is there. We've got amrut. We've got dry fruits here, and we have got fantastic millets. So let me have a taste of this. Oh my. It is just wonderful. That ragi, that mango flavor, वो थोड़ा सा खट्टा मीठा taste, everybody at home are going to love it. What do you say, Shubha?
Truly mouth-watering and savoring. Everyone should try this.
मैडम को तो बात करने के लिए नहीं आ रहा है, मुंह में पानी छूट रहा है. Thank you, Amar. Thank you, ACD. This is Mille Julle, between 50 to 70% of a millet dish as dessert. Thank you.